Hello friends, welcome to the Ayurvedic channel. The mentioned name of ice cream make everyone face to be happy. Homemade ice cream is delicious and healthy. However, it's difficult to achieve the same taste as homemade ice cream. But if you follow a few tips, you can make best ice cream at home. Always use condensed milk for making ice cream. Full cream milk is even better. Whenever we freeze ice cream at home, most of the ice form on the ice cream. However, if we line the container in which we freeze the ice cream, it will prevent from forming. When the ice cream has slightly solidified, take it out, stir it in a mixture and let it set again. This will result in a more even ice cream. Beating the ice cream with a beater instead of mixture will make it even better. Use a good quality container for freezing ice cream. Always remove the seeds and peels of the fruits when making fruit ice cream. Seeds and peels can spoil the taste of the ice cream. To get such a more and delicious tips at home, like the video and subscribe to the channel.